Stop what you're eating and drinking and check the ingredient list. Is there citric acid in there? If so, there's a 99% chance it's derived from a fungus. Citric acid is commonly found in citrus fruits like lemons and limes, but chances are the citric acid on the ingredient label is not from lemons, and it's a manufactured form of citric acid that is derived from Aspergillus niger. That's right, a fungus and potent allergen. In fact, since being labeled as an ingredient generally regarded as safe by the FDA, the safety of citric acid grown like this in a lab has never been studied. So maybe you're thinking, okay, but where do I even find this? Besides pre-made and packaged foods, it's often found in beverages, including those convenient electrolyte packets, greenwashed cleaning products, supplements, beauty products, and so much more. Here at Microbalance, we do not use citric acid. When you're looking to reduce mold from your environment, having an ingredient derived from fungus being applied to surfaces or your belongings doesn't make sense. It can also make you react to your indoor environment. Learn more at microbalancehealthproducts.com.